In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to a Mailerlite email. This is really useful if you're sending things like lead magnets, checklists, guides, or any kind of downloadable resource to your subscribers. Instead of attaching a file directly, Mailerlite lets you host the PDF and link to it inside your email. That keeps your emails lighter, helps them avoid spam filters, and makes everything easier to manage. First, you'll need to upload your PDF into Mailerlite. Start by logging into your account and heading over to the File Manager tab. This is your central library for all the files you use in your campaigns, like images, documents, and of course, PDFs. Once you're in the File Manager, look for the Upload button. Click that, then browse your device and select the PDF you want to use. Just keep in mind that Mailerlite has a maximum file size of 10 megabytes for uploads, so if your PDF is larger than that, you may need to compress it first. After you confirm the upload, Mailerlite will store that PDF in your asset library, ready to be used in any email you create. You don't have to re-upload it every time. Now that the PDF is uploaded, let's add it to your email. You won't be attaching it like you would in a normal email client. Instead, you'll add a link that your subscribers can click to open or download the file. Inside the email editor, you have two main options: using a button, which is usually recommended, or using a text hyperlink. If you want to use a button, drag a button block into your email template where you want the PDF link to appear. Click on the button to open its settings panel. There, you'll see an option to add a URL. Click the URL icon, then in the Redirect to menu, choose the file option instead of a regular web address. This will open your file manager. Select the PDF you uploaded earlier. Once that's done, your button will automatically link to that PDF. You can customize the button text to something clear, like download your guide. If you prefer a text link, highlight the text in your email that you want to turn into a clickable link. In the formatting toolbar, click the URL or chain icon. Choose Insert File, then pick your PDF from the file manager. The highlighted text will now link directly to the PDF. And that's it. Your Mailerlite email will now deliver your PDF seamlessly to your subscribers.